Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back on today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some projects I created using the Splendor collection by My Mind's Eye. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over Instagram, even on YouTube. It is a beautiful floral collection that resembles a lot Maggie Holmes. So if you're a Maggie Holmes fan, this is definitely the collection for you. I did show a haul with the items I purchased from the collection, and I just have a few here. And you guys, I put it in my little swan mug because I thought it just went perfect. There's a swan on this collection, in this collection. Look at that, how cute. So I have all my little ephemera pieces inside this mug, which I keep right here. I have some papers, but I've been busy creating with this collection because it's just super fun to play with, that I think I need to restock because I've used up most of the papers. I have the paper pad coming in the mail, but I worked with 12 by 12 papers. And you guys, as you can see here, these are my creations. I've shared some on Instagram, and I just want to show you guys little bits of stuff that I've used to create some of these things. Any SVG file that I used to create these, I will have linked down below so you guys can make your own and definitely share with me. So I use a lot of like word phrases and stuff like that. These are a bunch of Dear Lizzie ones or ones that I cut with my Cricut. Of course, I've been using these beautiful rosettes that Kenzie sent me. Kenzie Scraps, by the way, I'll have her link down below. You guys, they are perfection. Of course, some of these little Hobby Lobby swan stickers. I got some more word wood veneers, little word stickers. I found these stickers in my stash, and I think these are from Me and My Big Ideas, and it's like the rose gold ones, and I think it goes perfect with the collection. It has the mint green, the pastel pink, the rose gold, so that goes very well with creating with this collection. I also found these super cute labels in my stash. These were from Michaels. I think they discontinued this line. This is when everything went on clearance from the Crafted Recollections line. Then of course I have a bunch of little heartwood veneers and little like chip pieces and just some hearts and stuff that I also keep on the side if I'm creating with this collection. Craft paper also works very well. So let me show you guys what I've created. I'm gonna move this to the side to show you guys these two first. So this one right here, you guys, as you can see, is a super cute berry basket. You guys, how cute is this to fill up and give to a pen pal with some goodies in here for birthdays or any holiday really. You guys, super easy to make. You can resize and make it any size you want. I have decided to decorate it with the little border. You get these little pieces in your SVG file that you put on the, I don't know if you put on the inside, but I chose to put it on the outside using that floral pattern from the collection. And then I just put on, to decorate the little basket, a rosette from Kenzie Scraps, and then one of the little ephemera pieces from the collection, and one of the stickers from the Me and My Big Ideas rose gold stickers. As you can see, it goes perfect. And this is what it looks like, you guys. This one is about 4 by 4, but I think you can make it bigger. Super cute, you guys. I'll have the SVG link down below. I bought it at the Silhouette Design Store. So if you have a Cricut, you can definitely use the files, because I just pick the SVG feature, and then of course that is good for my Cricut. The next one I want to show you guys is this cute crate. Now, Crate Paper had a post on their Instagram and on their blog showing these cute little wooden crates, which they sell in Michaels for like $1.50, but I didn't have any in my store, so I decided to search up a little paper crate, and I found this file on the Design Store website. Super cute, and it's tiny. I made it the same size as the one that they sell in Michaels, because I wanted it to be, basically it's like 5 by 3, I think. But you guys, look how cute this is. This is another way of sending happy mail. You can fill it up with some crinkle paper and add some embellishments, wrap it up, and it would be such a great gift for a pen pal. I used another one of Kenzie's rosettes, another little piece of ephemera, a word from the collection as well, some enamel dots, and then I used one of the papers with the little lettering and little flowers just to cover the little panels on the crate. And I'll have linked down below my inspiration as well as the SVG file. But you guys, this is super cute, and I will be making way more of these in the future. And then, you guys, I came across a video on YouTube from Lori Noonmaker, and she was showing how to create these beautiful memory decks cards. The video is like super old, but I recently got my Cricut, as you guys know, so I'm new to the whole Cricut world. So I love to try to figure out things that I have never done before, and I wanted to try these little overlay like memory decks cards, and you guys, they came out super cute. I don't know the pattern of this, but I will have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. I just put like a little wood veneer, so it's like 3 pieces. You have the card, which is double-sided because the paper is double-sided. And then I just added a cute little flower here in the middle just for a little something. I didn't want to make it super busy because the pattern in the background is very busy. But I absolutely love how delicate and sweet it looks. And then this one is my favorite. I did the opposite. This is the floral pattern. And then we have the green like stripe pattern. I used one of those stickers from that Me and My Big Ideas sticker pack. Some little wooden hearts. And then of course a floral piece from the ephemera pack. And you guys, these are so cute. Like, I feel like there's nothing you can do with this collection that'll make anything look like extremely horrible. I feel like you can throw anything together and it'll look absolutely amazing. So cute, obsessed, I love it. And then the last thing I want to share with you guys is another SVG file, and it's from Paige Evans, and it's like a mini album style. I'll have it linked down below because I don't remember the exact name right now, but this is what it looks like. And it's actually like a little pamphlet, and it's closed up right now. I did share it on my Instagram. I just have this little lace ribbon holding it together. I decorated, I sewed all the way around, and this is just a little decoration that I put on the front because it is a busy pattern on the front, so I didn't want to put too much. And when you open it up, you guys, this is what it looks like. Isn't that adorable, you guys? So I have a little clip here because my cut kind of made a little mistake, but I didn't want to make it go to waste because I had already used my paper. So I just basically like used some ATG glue and my ATG gun to put it down, and then it just opens up like this. And then I just use a clip to keep it closed because it does come with like a little flap in the cut that it would hold it on both ends, but for some reason mine didn't cut the right way, so it didn't work out for me. But I still think it worked. It looks nice. So this is what it looks like up close and how I decorated it. Super cute, you guys. This is super fun to play with. So many options. It comes with the tags. You guys, super cute. I made a little shaker on this side. A little pocket right here for some tags. There's also a little envelope right here. Oh, I'm not going to rip that because I don't want to break the bee, but I have a little piece of Velcro there that you can stuff some goodies in there too. And yeah, you guys, those are my projects using the Splendor collection and a bunch of SVG files. This is what it looks like on the opposite side. You guys see that? So I sewed all the way around the edges. And you can just decorate it however you want. You see this little cut right here is so cute. You guys, these little mini albums that Paige Evans does is so cute. Like, I have so many that I have put away that I want to create and share with you guys. But let me know down below if you guys are going to be creating some of these things. These are super fun to create. The memory decks cards, you don't have to use the... I just wanted to try out the Cricut file one because I do have the punch. But I wanted to try it out with the... to see how they come out with the Cricut. So I did make the card. But I'll have everything down below. I'll have the cards down below, the overlays. I'll have the links to all the SVG files so that you guys can make some berry baskets for your pen pals, some crates. There's so much on my list that I want to share with you guys. So definitely stay tuned for that because I have been Cricut happy lately. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to look down below for all the links so that you guys can go have some crafting fun. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.